Okay, good morning all. Today I have prepared a Form 1 Chapter 3 Exercise 1 for you all to make the revision at home. So before you're going to do that exercise, you can look at this video to make sure that you know how to do all these questions in that exercise through e-learning. Now first of all, today the first question is 3x plus 2 equals 5x plus 8. Look at this question, you will only see 2 plus sign here. So that means for most of the question you will see is made based on the addition and subtraction. To solve this kind of equations, first of all, you must move x to one side and move all number to the other side with additions or subtraction like this. For example, we see 3x and 5x here, so I want to move it to one side. For example, because we have 3 here, we have 5 here, so I want to move 5 to there. Because this is plus, we do not write here, so make sure that this is addition. So when I move to the other side, that is subtraction. Just like this. So we will have the question 5x minus 5x, you will got 0. We will cancel it to 8 for the right hand side. And 3x minus 5x, we know that this is negative 2x plus 2. After this, we will see that this plus 2, we can move it to the other side. Because this is positive, when we move to the right hand side, that will be the negative. Because negative 2x plus 2 minus 2 equals 8 minus 2. So for this side, you will see negative 2x equals 6. After that, we will divide it because this is negative 2 times x for this one. So we will use division. We divide it by negative 2. So we can see we can do the cancellation here. And then you can see negative here. So we will see x equals negative 3. Finish. So for the first question, you must know how to move the unknown to one side. Maybe you are left or you are in right. So make sure that you know how to do this question. I will pause 15 seconds so that make sure that you know how to do this question. Okay, now we will go to the second questions. For the second questions, we are going to do is that we will have the denominator. This time we have 2 and 3 for the denominator. So we will make it as the same one. In your primary school, you will change it to 6 because the LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. So we will solve the problem like this. We will change it to 6 because 2 times 3 is 6. So that means for the numerator, you will times 3, that is 3x. And then for the denominator is 3, and when I will change to 6, that means that we will multiply x by 2. So that after you do the cancellation, you will go back to the first step. So this is number 1. Okay, still have it. After this, we will make the denominator to the same one, that is 6 with the 3x minus 2x equals 1. So after that, 3x minus 2x, you will get x over 6 equals 1. After that, you times 6 for the both sides. So you can do the cancellation and then x will equal 6. So that means if you are going to do something question like this with two denominator, you must make it at the same. That means the LCM is 6. So that after that, you can solve the equation okay, by expanding the fraction. So that I pause in 15 seconds so that I will go to the next question. Okay, now we will go to question 3. Okay, now this time of the question 3, you will see a bracket here with a negative sign. Please make sure that for positive side, it's so easy for you that remove the bracket easily. But for negative side, you must make sure that because 3x, we're going to minus x and 2 at the same time. So if I want to move the bracket, that means we minus x and then minus 2. Because this is the real meaning for it, because if I want to minus something away for both, that means we minus x first and then minus 2 second. So you will get 6 here. After that, you will have 2x minus 2 equals 6. Because 3x minus x will be 2x. After that, you can move negative 2 to the right hand side, that is positive 2. That is 2x minus 2 plus 2 equals 6 plus 2. That means 2x will equals 8. Now for the both sides, you can divide it by 2. 2x divided by 2 and 8 divided by 2, you will have x equals 4. So the first thing you must know is that when you break down the bracket, you must make sure that there will be two negative sides. The negative and the positive will change it to negative. So I will pause 15 seconds to make sure, and I will go to the last question, that is the question 4. And okay, now we will go to the last question, that is the question 4. Okay, now today we will have the last question, and we will move the bracket to here. That is 6 minus 2x. And next we will see the negative side with the bracket, so that we'll change it one by one. Negative 3 times x, you will get negative 3x. Negative 3 times negative 2, that is negative side, and negative side you will get positive side, that is positive 6, equals negative 3. So at the same time, just similar to the question 3, you will see negative side and negative side, you will have the positive side here for positive 6. So that we change it. So that if we do not want x, because this is positive side, with the negative and positive, you get negative here. So we have negative 2x and we have negative 3x. So that means it is, because we own 2x from some others and own 3x from some others, that means we own 5x from some other. 6 plus 6 will be 12. So we got negative 3 here. After that, we will remove the negative positive 12 to negative 12. After that, you will see negative 5x will equals negative 15. After that, we will divide it by negative 5. After doing some cancellation, negative 15 and negative 5, you will get positive 3 here. So x will equal 3. And now I will pause 15 seconds for you all to make sure that you know how to do these calculations. Okay, that's all of the video. So make sure that you know how to do the through e-learning, you know how to do the chapter 3, exercise 1 in Google Classroom. Hope you then know something in chapter 3. Thank you for watching.